Welcome back to another Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida online tour. Today I'm coming from Northwest Cape Coral, and I want to show you this beautiful spec home. Okay, it's 3 bedrooms, 1 flex room, 2 bathrooms, and triple car garage. Okay, this floor plan, I haven't seen it before, so we're gonna see it for the first time. The house is not completed, so it's not like clean inside or anything, but I really want to take a chance to show you this nice home. Okay, it's right now, I think the builder has 3 of them coming up. So if you would like to know where they're located and when they're going to be available on the price, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. Okay, so I'm gonna do like in all my videos. I'm gonna start the outside and then move in. Over here you got your shut-off valve. Keep going over here. And this is backyard. As you can see, this lot is kind of bigger than usual. This is a triple lot. And I can tell you that this home, I think 3 days ago they called me to do a video on it. Today when I decided to come do the video on it, I checked on the MLS and it's already pending. So this was a triple lot with this beautiful new floor plan. So it went pretty fast. But since they're building 3 more and they're gonna continue building them, I said I might as well show it to you guys. If you're interested, like I said, just call us and we'll tell you where they're building them and how much they're gonna cost and when they will be available. I also heard that they have a community over in Port Charlotte that also has this floor plan furnished. So I'm thinking going up there and show you how it looks furnished. So let me know what you think. If you want to see it furnished, let me know. Please write in your comments. I really appreciate when you guys comment because it helps me out a lot on my YouTube search. So okay, so here, as I told you before, a triple car garage, and we're gonna go ahead and move in. What I like about this is it kind of has a porch in front. Very nice, unusual here. And we're gonna go ahead now and move in. Let me adjust my lens here. And let's go. So as you come in, you're welcome with this hallway. And I can show you, it has very nice high ceilings. Over here to the left, you have your flex room with 2 French doors. And you can see the very big wide French doors. And you have a little small closet over here. This could be used as a flex room, a den, a computer room, whatever you want to use it for. Then if you go over here to your right, you have a closet here. You have another closet over here. You have your guest bathroom. 8-foot doors. And then here you got bedroom number 1. And one nice thing that I would notice about this floor plan, it has walk-in closets. Very nice in each room. Let's see, let's go to room number 2 now. This one's in the front of the house. And as you can see, they have a walk-in closet. I think this was a little bigger than the other one. No, at the same size. And over here, you got your AC. Over here to the left, you got the laundry room. That's where your washer and dryer hookup goes. And then you got a little area there too. Nice. And then this is the big area here. You got a very nice open concept. You have your kitchen over there, your dining room, and this living room area here. Very nice and spacious. So let's take a closer look at the kitchen. So it's a nice granite countertop, stainless steel appliances, and here's your pantry. Nice big pantry. This is the area for the dining room. Stand over here so you could see how big this area is. The nice thing about this home is very bright, as you can see. Over here you have your lanai with old pavers, and the lanai doesn't have no aluminum, cross. It's just one big screen, so it's very nice. It's very clear. Then over here, you got a little space over here. Maybe you could put a desk or something, so when you come in from the garage, you could put your keys and stuff. And in here is the triple car garage. Let me see if they got lights in here. Yeah, check it out. Now let's go over to the master bedroom. We move around. So you can see the ceiling high all throughout the house. So, and you have 8-foot doors. Over here's your closet. Nice big closet. Over here you got your towel closet over here. Got your shower. Your double sink. And another big closet. I mean big. So, if you have a lot of clothing, this is a nice home for you. And over here's your toilet closet. I'll show you again this closet over here. That's nice. Well, that's it for this tour on this beautiful home. Like I said before, if you would like more information on this floor plan, square footage, I think it's 2,197 square feet. Okay. So if you want information where they're building them, how much the prices are going to be, and where they're going to be completed, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. If you're new to my channel and this is your first time, just want to let you know my wife and I has been doing real estate in Southwest Florida for almost 20 years, actually for over 20 years. And if you're looking for a home like this or any other home in Southwest Florida, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. We would love to help you out and answer any question you might have. We're very pressure-free, and we're here to help you. Okay? Signing off from Northwest Cape Coral. See you on to the next video.